Hi guys, to receive this LED barn light for reviewing purposes, it comes with the instruction on how to install it. Okay, I think it's really nice. I like it because it has a sensor for the nighttime, so it's turns on automatically when it's nighttime and it turns off when it's daytime. Okay, it's LED, which I think it's really nice. As you can see, it comes with everything you need to install it. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, it's really nice. All the materials feels of a really nice quality. So let's go ahead and start assembling it. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It's really nice. As you've seen, it was a quick installation, just some basic wiring and some screws. And I think it's really nice. It's really bright, as you can see. And well, it's this called white light, which I think it's perfect for the warehouse, your entrance, your backyard, where you want to place it. I think it will make a really nice addition, and I like it a lot. So I will really recommend it. See you guys.